The disadvantages of pure cotton is creasing. If you've got a cotton shirt, it requires ironing on a Monday morning before you come into the campus.
Is also pure cotton.
Absolutely.
That's why.
Say thank you.
Polycotton on this one.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah. And yes, that is a disadvantage to pure cotton. However, there are techniques, and later on I'm going to go through those techniques on how to handle pure cotton sheets, but the same would apply to your clothing as well. Because there are techniques that you can follow that make it a lot easier to iron. Be grateful that it is pure cotton, because you're far more comfortable in that, I promise you, than someone who's wearing polycotton in summer in those hot kitchens.
Oh, we should have sourced this earlier. We've already spent how many months struggling.
Oh, that's why. Never took that long.
The second aspect or disadvantage of pure cotton is that the fiber is sensitive to some chemicals, bleaches, acids. You've all heard of Jik. Yep, you've obviously all heard of Jik. Jik and cotton don't go well together. So there are certain chemicals like bleaches and acids that are necessary for stain removal, and however, if not used correctly, will end up damaging the cotton fiber and degrading the cotton fiber.